Hi there, John Farriman here from Balance Physical Therapy and Human Performance Center on the beautiful Central Coast of California. Today I want to talk to you about our company's core values. We have an acronym that describes the ethos of Balance PT here. The acronym is STRONG, S.T.R.O.N.G. Just like we're trying to get all of our patients strong, our core values are called STRONG. The first of which is service to patients. What does that mean? It might mean different things for different people, but for us, it means really getting to know them, taking a personal interest in them, sharing our personal stories with them, our stories of physical struggle, our stories of emotional struggle, making an actual human connection, not being these, white-collar clinicians that just come in there and talk to them about, arthrokinematics and joint mobilization and weakness and neurodegenerative processes, but really connecting with them as people, remembering the name of their dog, remembering the name of their children, of their spouse that might be sick or who has passed on, remembering stories that they've shared with us and sharing our stories with them, because in that connection is where you'll find the magic as a physical therapist. Your patients come in, they're tired, they're miserable, they're scared, they're in pain. Maybe they've never been to PT before and they have to lie on an exam table and allow you to hurt them sometimes. You better have a great relationship with them. So serving our patients means, of course, reaching for the highest functional clinical outcome for them possible, but it means so much more than that. So if you're interested in learning more, please visit us at balancept.com or on Instagram at balanceptmove. Thank you.